personal credit score will be included with your first credit report. You can use this analysis to evaluate your current credit standing and, if necessary, see what adjustments are necessary to improve it. Once you've received and reviewed your credit report and credit score information, you will have peace of mind knowing that the Identity Theft Shield will continuously monitor your Experian credit file. This is important because you want to learn of suspicious activity before your credit is damaged. Think about it like this. A professional thief can assume your identity in just a few hours, but it can take years for you to repair your credit standing. Early detection is key to minimizing the damage caused by thieves who steal your name. A welcome email will be sent to you once your consumer report and monitoring authorization form is received. Your credit file will then be monitored daily. If your credit file shows that new accounts have been opened in your name, derogatory notations have been added to your report. The monitoring system will by email. If you did not provide a usable email address on your consumer report and monitoring authorization form, you will receive any notifications through regular postal mail at the end of the